Well, an awesome train video that was. A little bit longer than the last one. And after the last train that went by, after the one I filmed, there was almost a car accident down here. And I couldn't believe that I saw that, And we're watching this one. Hope you have a good day and be safe out there until you get the next train video. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot again. When I was in Kentucky, I noticed I got some more new subscribers. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. And I'm hoping maybe get up to 200 subscribers before the end of the year. So that's what I'm hoping for. So wherever you're watching from, hope you be safe out there and have a good day out there, okay?